know what the hood's gonna need. But I know one thing, that this is the life of a G.
Baby, cause I'm the plug, feed the whole neighborhood. Baby, cause I'm the plug, got that work for the low. Baby, cause I'm YouTube.
Hey,
It's Santana, aka Tanner, baby.
it's your boy Dro. What's up?
What's up, YouTube? I'm Margie Sleepy Rich Sorry TV.
And we back again with a reaction, you did. We ain't did this nigga in a long time, you did. Cause he was locked up, you
Free
know
young
what
boy.
I'm saying?
Yeah, already free.
Young boy already free. We about to react to the NBA Young Boy slime mentality
It's
because y'all
about to
kept in the comments, react to Young Boy, react to Young Boy, react to Young Boy.
We want to.
Here it is, baby.
We're scared. We could
Okay.
get blocked. You know what
We
I'm
might get blocked, we might get a strike. We already on one strike.
Yeah, we
We already
y'all.
got a strike, you dig? So hopefully
treading
Atlantic
Mm-hmm.
ain't tripping.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
We have to. No, we're gonna give him 5 anyway because he always got some good stuff. Make sure you get 5.
Alright,
Fine.
we gotta make sure Atlantic ain't tripping. And yeah, Young Boy don't block this video, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all kept asking for it.
Cause we've been a big fan before you started blocking us. You know what I'm
Nah, for sure. We reacted to a bunch of Young Boy videos, you know what I'm saying?
saying? We've been fans.
We got the proof on the channel right
Yeah.
there.
Been
You know what I'm
fans. You know what I'm
saying?
saying?
But they just kept getting blocked later on, you know what I'm saying? They just kept getting blocked, and we even got a strike one time for a Young Boy
That's why we
video.
couldn't
So
even-
it's like, sheesh. Hopefully though, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try a trick today, and hopefully it works. And if it works, any other artist that we get blocked for, I'm gonna do that trick.
Emery.
So we gonna we gonna
see that
see.
video again.
It's called slime mentality. NBA
Young
Young Boy never broke again. Let's see what he talk about on this thing.
My mama slime, my sister slime, my brother slime, my daddy slime, yeah, he slime. Hey, you want I'm here with y'all.
Oh, who you want? For him?
Boy, loud with it.
Same shit, nobody say up.
No, for those.
Pussy bitch don't try to run now.
Yeah.
Fuck nigga ain't have his head on. I'ma make sure that these niggas see me through the headphones.
What the fuck Risha Key doing?
I've been coolin', but these pussy bitches just won't leave me alone. Crack you in your shit just to see what's on your mind. I'm a young boy, I've been Kaylin wiping, yeah, she slime. Police on my ass, gotta watch the way I'm sliding. He acting hot, them slimes are down to ease his mind. Yeah, I pull up acting in a photo. You think my niggas with me in this bitch, but boy, I'm solo.
Pull up back in the photo. You think my niggas with me, but I'm out and down solo. Yeah.
Geeking off that sofa, wildin' out, bitch, if you don't know, I'm telling you, niggas. I drop a bag just to finish you, niggas. You think it's done, but that's his ass, I'm gon' get rid of you, niggas. At a show or anything, bitch, we gon' hit at you, niggas. I want them all, that's on my dog, bitch, we gon' get at you, niggas. I'm thinking for real.
6. He
Oh.
got 3 on this one, 3 on this one.
Damn.
Iced out, way.
Across the law line, bout mine, let's slang out. 3 run on with that Glock 9. Motherfuckers, they clutching, they all in trouble, I'ma bust mine. Hold on, grew up in that fire, he came out of slime, he don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' line. Take his ass up top like high five. Don't give a fuck about who you call or who come out of town. The city know we step on shit, I'm slime. Don't give a fuck about who they wrong, cause we gon'
Well, you got an indoor court. You don't want to see me on it, boy. You don't want to see me on it, Hooper.
get them all. We ain't the ones to rap on this. Check out my murder man dance. Look, put on side them double 100 in the car. Boom, bow, bitch, you slipping in, you ain't gon' see the mud. This but dump behind him, we dying hard. I go by top, get out your top, I draw the sword. Everybody in here slamming with a nigga. Hey, they ain't no shit, they don't want no problem with a nigga.
Hey.
These hoes ain't shit, I put a Remy on the pillow. Mention the op, I tell her stop it till it fill up. Bitch, bro, just roll me in the message and I read it what it says. Shows how you about your ex and then he I'm banging green, but I get mad and leave out red. I been that nigga, you gon'
He banging green, so what you telling me is you Grove Street. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
get that through your head, bitch. Yeah, up in that fire, he came out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die. Motherfucker come behind, cause bitch we slangin' nine. Take it.
Alright, y'all, let me skip this. We already heard the chorus.
Don't give a fuck about who they out of slime. He don't wanna talk cause you gon' die.
Alright, y'all. That was NBA be a young boy with slime mentality.
Slime mentality, dog. What's up with it, bro? He came in that thing G, dog. You know what I'm saying? Straight off the rip. That's just young boy. I like how he was dancing with Rich the Kid, and young boy act like he was about to jig out, then he just go back to being G again. He was fooling y'all, boy. But young boy on everything, dog. I gotta get cold on that 4-wheeler like you was, bro.
He popping willies on that thing.
Boy, he was popping willies, boy. Looked like he was drifting. I gotta get that thing 5 because of the content. I like how you stunning on everybody, you know what I'm saying, who's talking shit just against you, you know what I'm saying? Shout out, that's a 5, man. What y'all think about that thing?
Alright, so for me, on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 been the highest you can get. Sorry. It's a 5, man. That was live. I feel like I haven't heard, I've heard of YoungBoy recently through Santana playing his music, but I haven't, just like you said, we haven't reacted to none of his videos recently, and it's still got it, you know what I'm saying? So it's live, that's why I gotta give him a 5. You got some live versions, you always be jigging it and stuff, it ain't just no boring music, you know what I'm saying? It's live, no matter what mood you in, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I gotta give 5. What do you think, Talon?
On a scale of 1 to 5, y'all know I give my boy a 5. I'm digging the new mansion. You feel me? I like the new house. I'm guessing this is in Louisiana because it's way bigger than your California house, because California houses, no matter how much money you pay for them motherfuckers, they do not give you a lot of land. But this for sure is way bigger than your LA house. I'm thinking this your Baton Rouge house. It looks nice. I'm digging the pool, the indoor court.
That was loud.
I see your Maybach in the driveway, you know what I'm saying?
Doing big, huh?
For sure.
Still doing big.
My favorite line was that I'm pulling up in the photo. You think my niggas with me, but I'm hopping out that bitch solo. Yeah.
He scared you niggas, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I rock with it. I like it, you know what I'm saying? He back on top of the YouTube game. He dropping. This video did like 3 million in less than 24 hours.
What?
My boy, they be waiting on YoungBoy.
Young boy, keep it up, man.
Man.
Doing a damn thing.
Stay out of trouble, you know what I'm saying? Follow your probation and so you can get off that thing, you feel me?
On me, bro.
You don't want to get locked up, do no more time. You know
We need
You
you
see
out
how
here
much the fans miss you, dog. You know what I'm saying?
F the beef.
Be out
And
here
yeah, you know what I'm saying?
And keep doing your thing. Keep doing your
For
music,
sure,
dog.
for sure,
free. Make
for
sure you guys
sure.
like, comment, subscribe. Go down below, look at the link. Check out this video, run up his numbers. Well,
What the fuck was Rich the Kid doing? I'm still confused.
He was jiggy.
I'm still confused on why Rich the Kid is in this video.
he must have been over there whenever.
I'm still confused as fuck. But yeah,
You didn't
man.
even get on the 4-wheeler or nothing.
Not nothing. It did nothing the whole
He
video.
by that pool, though.
They were jigging.
I like them 6 watches she had though.
Yo, that one was nice.
Yeah, that
He
was.
was loud. Yeah.
Anywho, y'all already know how that thing go. We out here, we ain't gang.
Nah.
We ain't the squad. We that mob, and it's mob no fry. Yeah.
Cash was everything around me. Kawasaki bikes and